Hello student, in this video we will do our question number 4 of exercise 5.3. So question is the number 1 to 10 are written on the separate slips kept in a box are fixed and mixed well. One slip is chosen from the box without looking into it. You have to choose one slip from the box without looking into it, and what is the probability of number 1 getting a number 6, second getting a number less than 6, and next getting a number greater than 6. Fourth one is getting one digit number, getting one digit number. So the total outcomes, first of all we will write the total outcomes, that is number written on the slips are 1 to 10. 1 to 10, this is given in your statement, so numbers are 1 to 10. So number 1 to 10 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have to calculate the number, probability of getting a number 6. Probability of getting a number 6. So we can see total number of, how can we calculate the probability of getting number 6? That is, in 10 numbers 6 is only one time there. 6 will comes only one time. So the probability is 1 upon total outcomes. Total outcomes means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 numbers are there. So 6 will come one time. So 1 upon 10. Now next is number less than, next probability of getting a number less than 6. So a number less than 6 is number less than 6. So out of 10, the numbers which are less than 6 are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So these numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So numbers are 5. So the probability is the probability of getting the number 6 less than 6. So less than 6, there are 5 numbers. So 5, why count these numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers are there. So 5 upon total outcome, and the total outcome is 10. Total outcomes are 10. So 5 ones are 5, 2s are 10, 1 by 2. So the probability is 1 by 2. Next is probability of getting a number greater than 6. Now you can see the total outcomes. In the total outcomes, the number which are greater than 6 are this: 7, 8, 9, 10. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 numbers are there. So the probability of getting a number greater than 6 are, say, this 4 upon 10. So 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Next is probability of getting one digit number, one by one. Here we can probability of getting one digit number. You can see in the total outcome 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are the numbers having one digit. What 10 is, 10 is the number which have the two digit, that is 0 and 1. So the numbers are, numbers with one digit are 9 numbers. So the probability is 9 upon total outcome, that is 10. 9 upon 10. Now next question is, if you have, question number 5 is there, if you have a spinning wheel with 3 green, how many? 3 green balls, green sector, and 1 blue sector and 1 red sector, then what is the probability of getting a green sector? You have to find the probability of getting a green sector. So green sector, total sector, you can see 3 are green one is blue, and one is red. So total outcome is 3 plus 1 plus 1, that is 5. So the probability, so total sectors, you can say total sectors are 5. How total sector are 5? That is 3 are green, 3 plus 1 plus green, second is blue, 1 is blue, green, blue and red. So total outcome is, means total sectors are 5. Therefore the probability of getting a green sector, you can find the probability to get the green sector, that is 3 by 5, because there the green sector have the probability 3, probability 3, that is 3 green sectors are there. So 3 by 5. Probability of getting blue sector, we can find it, and probability of getting red ball is 1 by 5. But we have to calculate the probability of getting non blue ball. So non blue ball means non blue ball, one ball is here, one ball is blue ball. Out of 5, one is one is blue ball. So it means if we subtract this one ball from total 5 balls, that is total are 5, and we will subtract one blue ball, then the remaining balls will be 4. So probability of getting non-blue ball is, that is 5 minus 1, 4, means remaining balls are 4. One blue ball, we will subtract this one ball, blue ball, we got 4 balls. So the probability of getting non-blue ball is 4 upon 5. 5 is the total outcome. 5 is the total outcome. So 4 by 5.